Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to actually run your project in Cocos Code IDE on a iOS simulator. So what you want to do is go to Run, Edit Configurations, and you want to click the plus button, so add a new configuration. Select JS binding if you've got a JavaScript project, and select Lua binding if you've got a Lua project. I've got JavaScript, so just select that. From here, just select iOS simulator. You can select the simulator that you want to use. Don't worry, it's not fixed because you can modify your configurations afterwards. So I'm just going to leave it as the default simulator. I'm just going to name this. And as I said, because you can actually edit your configurations afterwards, you could just have one configuration to do a bunch of platforms, but it's just better and faster if you have a few different configurations, especially the ones that you use a lot. So once you're done here, just click OK, and as you can see, a new configuration has popped up right here. So if I click edit configurations, it takes me to the same section that would go if I clicked it from here. So let's just run this application now in the simulator. Ooh, already had one running, so let's just run this again. Okay, so it's just starting simulator, uploading resources, and it has loaded. So actually let's just shut that down, run it, so you can actually see it running from the start. So there you go, it's just transferring any files. If I click this button, it actually says menu is clicked, so the logs are working, which is logged right here. The last thing I'm going to show you is the difference between running your project and debugging. Debugging basically allows you to use breakpoints. So if I were to add a breakpoint on the CC log, so if I run this now, which is basically what I was doing anyway. So wait for this to load, and I click this, menu is clicked, and the application is still running fine. But if I were to debug it instead of running it, which allows me to use breakpoints, it's all working, and I click this button, and it's basically broken at that point, hence the name breakpoint. So this allows me to check the state of variables, see what's in the log, basically for testing. So running is essentially how a user would run it. Debug is great for just testing. That's it for running on an iOS simulator. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description, so you don't need to remember that. Please rate and subscribe, as it does really help keep the content free. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.